trust me, it's ngutshele. Let me tell you. Understand? Ngisazokufuna and mangikuthola make sure ukuthi uyanyamalala ngoba into ezokwenza yona awungazi mina. Awusabaza abakithi.
Uzomenzani? Uzomshaya.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test subonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona. Ngicela unyamalale ngoba lapha engikuthola khona ngiyakutshela kuzoba ngiyakutshela sibu ngiyakutshela into ezokwenza yona wena so ungibona njengesithipha mina mangibhekile ngithi ngimisa into zami ngibhekane nawe manje ungitshela amasimba ngithi
nendaba
okay so phela sibona angithi uclever wena so phela sibona ukuthi ubani uclever phakathi kwami nawe ngithi mina udla imali yami thatha le mali ubhetha ngayo uzinhla ngithi angithi ubhetha uzinhle imali yami yena uyazi pha ukuthi lezi impahlo lazo engihambe lazo last week ngisiyakuthengela emolini usithethe phi noma umtshela ukuthi baby ngine pay slip
angendawo lapho
Isaac.
hayi inhliziyo yami ngendlela ebuhlungu ngakhona sibu ngizokulimaza ngizokufuna ngizokuthola ngizokulimaza ngiyakutshela shema angeke ngisakhona ukukhuluma naye lo angeke ngikhathele
Why run away mfethu? I'm sorry my sister. It's really bad, ne?
lezi angisakhona ukukhuluma next angazi nokuthi ngiqalephi
I'm sorry.
ngiyamthanda lo muntu lo understand ngiyamthanda
Yeah, understand. And usamthanda.
Sure.
After what you saw, usamthanda. After what you saw, usamthanda.
mfethu uyazi ama feelings nafana awona button ukuthi manje ngapress ngithi manje ngisamthanda.
So Uzindle took over. Yabo, that's the only problem. So I think
Mara mina ngathi yimi side chick mos.
you are a side chick
Yimi
because
side chick.
we're now 2 months and what.
Yeah.
Uzindle is 10 months. So uchithela Zindle ngawe.
Yeah, that's the truth. Mara uthatha imali yami ufethu uzinhle.
Wazi kanjani ukuthi uspenda imali yakho kuzindle?
Like seriously because this guy ngiyakutshela I'm doing literally everything from head to toe like yonke into ngiyamenzela. You understand? Ngiyamenzela lo muntu lo. Ngiyayikhipha imali yami ngathi no baby yazi kufuneka le 3k stuff. I make sure I run to my parents.
Yeah.
Sebaze bangibiza njengomuntu umntwana ohlanyayo kithi vela kuthaba sambona njengomuntu onefuture ngoba yonke into yami ngiyimisile ngenxa kaSibu. You understand?
So uyacula. So you were performing at clubs and stuff.
Yeah.
What kind of music?
Not really hip hop.
What kind of music?
It's more like soft music, R&B.